Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz ML350 W164 and how to change your engine oil and your engine oil filter. The supplies I'm going to be using today is some Mobil 1 0W40 engine oil. For the oil filter I'm going with the MAN filter, it's the HU7185X. And as far as for tools, the only tools you're going to be needing is a ratchet, a 13mm socket, and an oil filter socket. As far as the jack and the jack stands, it's not needed because the ML350 has a lot of clearance, so we can do it without the jacks. Once I'm underneath the front of the car, the drain plug is right here. I'm going to be using my 13mm socket and have a drain bucket underneath. And if you had your car running beforehand, please be careful as the oil is going to be burning hot. Now I'm going to let the oil drain. It should take about 10 minutes, but until then, I'm going to go up top and remove the oil filter housing. Here's the oil filter housing. I'm going to place the cap wrench on top with the ratchet and unscrew it off. Remove the old oil filter and the old O-rings. There's 3 of them. When installing the new O-rings, make sure to lubricate them. You could just use a little bit of the old oil before installing. Now that I have all 3 O-rings on, I'm going to push and spin the oil filter into place. Reinstalling the housing is easy, just hand tight it on. Once it's completely hand tight, I'm going to use the ratchet and the cap to give it a final spin. Before adding the new engine oil, I'm going to go down and reinstall my drain plug. And now the last step is to add the engine oil, and please check your manuals to see how much your particular car requires. My ML350 calls for 8.5 quarts, but every year model is different, so please check that before adding your engine oil. Please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.